First band of barrels coming in. First band coming in. Here it comes. The first band. Look at that. Well, here it is, guys. The hurricane. It's hitting right now. It's fully fledged. Just decided to hit, and it's blowing like crazy. No, I'm kidding. No, but this is the first band of rain. You know, in hurricanes you get bands. This is the first band of rain that we're getting right now at the moment. We've moved a bunch of stuff that could get blown around. We're gonna get a south wind, so everything's gonna get blown that way. But the house is blocking this stuff, so it won't get blown. And yeah, it's raining right now. It's a very thin band, but it's gonna blow through. And then once it's done, then we'll finish hurricane prep. But welcome to vlog number 44. Hurricane Beryl is upon us. We're getting our first band right now, so this should be very interesting, to say the least. Yeah. Alright guys, so we have a second band coming in right now. The first one was earlier this morning in the beginning of the vlog, and now here's a second one that's coming in. It's just kind of light rain, but I'm sure it'll get heavy as it goes. Alright guys, so I know we're supposed to get a hurricane, but it's like sunny outside. They said by 10 p.m. be hunkered down and ready to ride out the storm at 10 p.m. So right now it's like 2:30 or something. I don't have a watch, but it's like the middle of the day, and we had the first band come in like the beginning of the vlog, and that was crazy. But now that's gone, and now the sun's out. You know, the sun's out, and doesn't even look like there's a hurricane coming. But there is one coming, trust me. All right, guys. So there's Reba. She's doing good. This thing is gonna last here, okay? So here's what it looks like before, just like Reba. And here are the other two. So that's about it for now. The sun's out and it's sunny, but there's not much else going on. I guess I'll cut to the storm when it hits. This is what my yard looks like before the storm. Alright, this is what it looks like. The trees, the house, everything. Okay guys, so it's like 4 in the morning, and like the storm's just coming through, bro. It is just like awful out here, bro. Yep, this is it. This is the storm, guys. And just about 5 hours later. Okay guys, so it's really windy, and you can see that tree right there is topped. It's like windy, bruh. The storm is like freaking, it is just blowing. Okay guys, what I'm about to show you is the damage from the storm. Okay, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, and the storm is still going on, but I'm gonna show you the extensive damage that we have from this storm. We have a downed tree, topped tree right here that broke off, and now it's all hanging down. It's windy as crap, so that's good. Branch, big branch down. This thing stood up, look at this. there's a flood in it, but it stood up. We have, and we have just limbs everywhere, all over the yard. Big tree over there, and big branch over there. Neighbors lost all their fence. My mom's tree over here, we got flooding. My mom's tree got uprooted. The ditch is completely flooded, like up to the top, flooded. So here's Olivia. She's doing good. The pool is a mess. The pool is dirty and it's filled to the brim. It's just nasty. Tons of branches up here, branches down here. This gate's open, which shouldn't be open. We got branches. The garden is just absolutely just wrecked. Massive branch in the front. And I'm surprised this tree right here didn't come crashing down. And here's all the stuff that we hid it away back here, which was good. Power's been out since 4 a.m. We got the generator out, we hooked up the fridge and all that. And still windy, but the storm's pretty much over. You saw the damage. Yeah, I don't really know what else. You guys saw the storm. It was windy. More than 2 million people don't have power right now in Houston, so yeah, it's pretty crazy. But it's just wind now. The pigs are alright, the pigs are good, and we're just living, I guess. The gym's closed, temporarily, I should say, so I can't go there, but that's fine. Okay, yeah. I know you guys probably wanted some videos of me like going in the storm with my GoPro, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not that crazy. You should have seen how it was blowing out there. You saw. I wasn't gonna go out there with my GoPro, you know? Even though I did, technically. Not like this morning, bro. Oh man, it was bad this morning. Alright guys, so to celebrate us having power, because we just got it back like an hour ago. Like, I'm not even kidding. We literally just got it back. I'm gonna light these sparklers all at one time. Holy crap. What do I do now? What do I do now? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Uh-oh. Frick. They're all together. They're held together. Happy 4th, everybody. Also, we have power. Let's go. No more sweating to death. Ow. That's hot.